My project is on financial implication of excessive water leaks. Where does water come from? We might ask, does it come from the ocean or does it come from the Colorado River? We might also imagine that water comes from lakes, comes from different places, and there are certain amounts of water that we can use. According to research, the most water source comes from ocean, seas, and bays, which provides 96.5% of total water availability. And the ice caps, glaciers, and permanent snow provides 1.74%. And of this amount, 68.7% provides a total of fresh water that is available for human consumption. And then also groundwater provides 1.69%, and of that amount, 30.1% of that is percentage of freshwater availability. And then saline water is 0.93%. The rest of the amount contribution are quite minimal from soil moisture, ground ice, lakes, atmosphere, swamp water, rivers, and biological water. So, majority of water that we can use on a daily basis is from ice caps, glaciers, groundwater, and also oceans, depending on what we. So, based on what we previously said, the total global water is 96.5%, which comes from ocean, 0.9% of that of all the saline water, and then 2.5% of fresh water, which is available and, like I mentioned previously, can be used by man. Of the fresh water, 68.7% is glaciers, groundwater 30.1%, and surface water is 1.2%. And of this water that comes to us on a daily basis, we utilize the water for different things, different activities. And water use, according to research, is human consumption utilizes 24% of that for toilet, and then 20% we use for our daily showers, 19% comes through our faucets, either through the bathroom or the kitchen, and then for laundry we utilize 17%. And of total amount of water that we use on a daily basis, 12% of that goes to leakages. And then we use 8% for other uses, either to and for other activities like irrigation. So we receive our water mainly from the Colorado River via the Central Arizona Water Project. And research also has it that each household in the United States uses on the average 300 gallons of water. Of this total amount, 80% goes to actual daily use, and 12% of that is lost through leaks at homes or through burst pipes. Pipes run through our homes from different places as it comes through the pipelines. And research states that $1 trillion is lost through burst pipes. And this could be either from use of substandard pipes or through inefficiency of service personnel. So other leakage points are water transmission points, storage reservoirs, connections to homes, poorly installed fittings such as valves and hydrants, and also ignorant workers. So we have the kind of people who actually install our water connections. And also research states that USDA provides more than $47 million in investment for water efficiency just so we can conserve water and save more money. So we can do that through using appliances that will save us water by installing proper faucets for and also shower heads and for our WC and dish. And we can save cost by cutting back on utilization. And if you do a projection of your average monthly usage, you see how much of water that you use. The more water you use, the more the more you pay on your electricity bill. So to conserve that, it will be essential to cut back on water and minimize wastage through using efficient appliances. And then we also can ensure that we're connecting better pipes and then utilizing certified technicians.